Is this all-in-one travel system actually worth it, or is it affordable for a reason?
We're trying the Graco Modes Nest stroller and travel system in case you aren't able to. Starting with what you'll love about it.
In terms of value and affordability, you'll get a full travel system from day one.
And there's no need for any extras.
With 3 different stroller configurations, you're getting your built-in bassinet, your travel car seat, as well as your typical toddler stroller.
And this is less than half the cost of luxury strollers while still looking like one.
So this is newborn compatible from day one. You can drop down the toddler seat to have a lay-down bassinet, or you can click in the infant car seat to have that mode as well.
So you don't have to buy or switch out your bassinet, and you have options for your newborn. The infant car seat is safe and lightweight.
It's only 9.8 pounds, which is relatively light for what's on the market. It's perfect for parents juggling babies and bags on the go. And as for safety features, there's an energy absorbing foam that keeps your babies safe no matter the travel. It also has great longevity, 4 to 30 pounds, 32 inches, where you'll be able to use this for quite a while.
And you can install the car seat both with or without the base.
You can install it with the base using the latch system, which includes a level indicator that helps you install properly to make sure you're level with the ground. You can install the base with the seat belt, and you're probably only going to do this on your first install or when you're changing cars. And you can install it without the base using just the seat belt. This is great for taxis and travel.
When it comes to travel, this is a really seamless system.
There's multiple ways of installing the infant car seat, whether it's clicking it straight into the toddler seat or removing it and clicking it straight into the stroller itself. No need for additional adapters. One of the standout features of this stroller is the slide to me feature. It allows you to raise and lower baby to keep distance or bring baby close to you.
Also, the seat is fully reversible, so it could be parent facing or forward facing.
You can also do this with the infant car seat. So if we're talking standout features, another one that I really liked was the swivel snack tray. You only have to remove one side and it swivels on a turn, and it also works in both directions.
When it comes to storage, the basket is huge.
It also has an extended feature here in the front for more space, but it doesn't say a weight limit, so you gotta be careful to make sure you don't overpack. When it comes to maneuverability and ride, it's great on smooth surfaces and has a pretty good turn radius.
It also has a lightweight push. It's not super heavy. Now let's talk about a few things that might not work for you.
It's gonna be a little more difficult over rough terrain and grass. You might also need to give a little extra push to go up curbs and over door frames.
It's also worth noting that the wheels are plastic.
When doing the fold, you're gonna find the buttons on both sides. This part was kind of more difficult to me. You press in and you actually have to pull back to you. So you kind of use your body weight against it, and then it folds down flat. Feels a little awkward because now it's laying on the ground. The unfold was kind of difficult for me as well. There's a latch that's hidden down underneath that you're gonna have to release. So you're gonna have one hand on the handle, one hand pulling out in order to fully open it. It is self-standing, but when I was practicing at home, it was hard to get it in this correct position. I feel like it's a little fidgety. If not, it falls on its side. As we're talking about size, it is a travel system, and sometimes people mistake it being compact. It is a full-size stroller, and it is gonna take up trunk space.
The stroller feels heavy duty, but it's pretty comparable to the travel system that I have.
With the size, since you are gonna need trunk space, a lot complain about the snack tray here getting in the way because it is more of a lift and maneuver than a seamless stack in.
So there are some car seat limitations with this travel system.
You can only use Graco infant car seats when it comes to Graco strollers.
So you don't have an option of using adapters or a non-Graco infant car seat.
This is a single stroller, so when you're thinking about multiple children, there's no adaptions, meaning you can't add a second seat or a pedal board.
There's also some comfort and convenience trade-offs with this travel system.
Both canopies are a little more flimsy, and as you can see here, it's only attached by Velcro. So if the Velcro gets worn or weathered, you're gonna have a difficult time having a really great canopy.
There's also a peekaboo window in the back, but there's nothing to keep it open or closed, so it could flap around.
And lastly, the brakes. There is one on each wheel, so if you forget to lock both, you may be wheeling around.
So what's our final take?
If you want an affordable all-in-one travel system for everyday use, the Graco Modes Nest gives you a bassinet style seat, an infant car seat, and a slide to me feature to bring baby closer.
But if you need something compact, trail ready, or expandable for more than one kid, this might not be the right fit.
Do you have more questions about the Graco Modes Nest stroller and travel system?
Or is there other baby gear you'd like to see us try?
Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Baby Let's Tries It,
where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.